TEAS 7 assessment. Question 1. After Copper Group 12 reads a passage about sleep and memory during the assessment skills review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. Adequate sleep supports memory and test performance. Option B. Longer study sessions always beat rest. Option C. Memory depends only on intelligence. Option D. Time tests should be avoided. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it captures the link between rest, recall, and performance. Longer study sessions always beat rest is wrong because the passage does not say more hours always help, and memory depends only on intelligence is wrong because the passage connects memory with sleep habits. Time tests should be avoided is wrong because the passage discusses performance, not avoiding tests. Question 2. When Copper Group 12 sees details that the library lights flicker, thunder grows louder, and students move away from the windows, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. A fire drill has ended. Option B. The building has no electricity. Option C. A storm is getting close. Option D. The students are celebrating. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the details about thunder, flickering lights, and moving from windows support that a storm is nearby. A fire drill has ended is wrong because no alarm or evacuation detail is given, and the building has no electricity is wrong because the lights flicker but the passage does not show a full outage. The students are celebrating is wrong because the mood is cautious rather than celebratory. Question 3. During Copper Group 12's assessment skills review, a passage lists 3 benefits of early registration and urges readers to sign up before Friday. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To compare 2 unrelated schools. Option B. To entertain readers with a story. Option C. To persuade readers to register early. Option D. To define every testing rule. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the benefits and deadline are meant to move readers toward action. To compare 2 unrelated schools is wrong because no comparison of schools is given, and to entertain readers with a story is wrong because there is no plot or characters for entertainment. To define every testing rule is wrong because the prompt mentions benefits and a deadline, not all rules. Question 4. While Copper Group 12 outlines a passage that places general study advice first and then gives examples for each subject, which structure is being used? Option A. Circular reasoning. Option B. Spatial order. Option C. Contrast only. Option D. General to specific. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the passage starts broadly and narrows to examples. Circular reasoning is wrong because that is a logic problem, not the organization shown, and spatial order is wrong because no physical location is being described. Contrast only is wrong because the passage is not only showing differences. Question 5. Before Copper Group 12 accepts the claim that graphs can reveal trends faster than paragraphs, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. A chart title can be short. Option B. Paragraphs use complete sentences. Option C. Some graphs use green ink. Option D. A line graph showed score growth across 4 weeks at a glance. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the graph example shows quick trend recognition. A chart title can be short is wrong because title length does not prove the claim, and paragraphs use complete sentences is wrong because that does not show graphs reveal trends faster. Some graphs use green ink is wrong because color choice is not evidence of faster trend reading. Question 6. Since Copper Group 12 sees the word analyze in the class had to analyze the chart before choosing an answer, which meaning fits the context? Option A. Study the parts carefully. Option B. Guess without looking. Option C. Decorate the paper. Option D. Memorize a phone number. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because analyze means to examine details and relationships. Guess without looking is wrong because the sentence calls for careful chart work, and decorate the paper is wrong because decoration does not help interpret data. Memorize a phone number is wrong because memorization of a number is unrelated to chart analysis. Question 7. Given Copper Group 12 answers 17 out of 40 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 42.5%. Option B, 23.53%. Option C, 29.82%. Option D, 57.5%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 17 divided by 40 equals 0.425, and multiplying by 100 gives 42.5%. 23.53% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole, and 29.82% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. 57.5% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction. Question 8. If Copper Group 12's score rises from 70 to 84, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 16.7%. Option B, 120%. Option C, 14%. Option D, 20%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 14, and 14 divided by the original score 70 equals 20%. 16.7% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value, and 120% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase. 14% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value. Question 9. Suppose Copper Group 12 solves 4x plus 9 equals 25. Which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 3. Option B, 5. Option C, 16. Option D, 4. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 9 leaves 4x equals 16, and dividing by 4 gives x equals 4. 3 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation, and 5 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides. 16 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer. Question 10. Using Copper Group 12's triangle diagram with a base of 12 cm and a height of 7 cm, which area should be recorded? Option A, 84 square cm. Option B, 19 square cm. Option C, 42 square cm. Option D, 38 centimeters. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because triangle area is 1/2 times base times height, so 0.5 times 12 times 7 equals 42. 84 square cm is wrong because it forgets to take half of the base height product, and 19 square cm is wrong because it adds dimensions rather than using the area formula. 38 centimeters is wrong because that resembles a perimeter calculation and uses the wrong units. Question 11. From Copper Group 12's measurement note of 3.5 g, which conversion to mg is accurate? Option A, 350 milligrams. Option B, 35 milligrams. Option C, 0.0035 milligrams. Option D, 3,500 milligrams. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams, so 3.5 times 1,000 equals 3,500 milligrams. 350 milligrams is wrong because it multiplies by 100 instead of 1,000, and 35 milligrams is wrong because it moves the decimal 2 places too few. 0.0035 milligrams is wrong because it converts in the opposite direction. Question 12. In Copper Group 12's score set 70, 88, 86, 59, 95, which median should be reported? Option A, 59. Option B, 86. Option C, 79.6. Option D, 95. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 59, 70, 86, 88, 95, and the middle value rule gives 86. 59 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting, and 79.6 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method. 95 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value. Question 13. For copper group 12, 3 review packets cost $15. At the same rate, how much do 9 packets cost? Option A, $40. Option B, $45. Option C, $27. Option D, $24. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $15 divided by 3 gives $5 per packet, and 9 packets cost $45. $40 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost, and $27 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price. $24 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. Question 14. Near copper group 12 cell control review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, nucleus. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, ribosomes. Option D, cell membrane. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the nucleus contains DNA and directs many cell activities. Mitochondria is wrong because mitochondria make ADP and contain only small amounts of their own DNA, and ribosomes is wrong because ribosomes make proteins, not genetic instructions. Cell membrane is wrong because the membrane controls movement in and out but does not store most DNA. Question 15. Because copper group 12 traces circulation and blood leaves the right ventricle, where does it go next? Option A, vena cava toward the right atrium. Option B, pulmonary vein toward the left atrium. Option C, aorta toward the body. Option D, pulmonary artery toward the lungs. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Vena cava toward the right atrium is wrong because the vena cava brings blood into the heart, and pulmonary vein toward the left atrium is wrong because pulmonary veins return blood from lungs, not from the right ventricle. Aorta toward the body is wrong because the aorta receives oxygenated blood from the left ventricle. Question 16. Although copper group 12 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, a small surface area. Option B, a layer of enamel. Option C, a sealed membrane with no blood flow. Option D, a large surface area. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because many tiny sacs create more area for oxygen and carbon dioxide to diffuse. A small surface area is wrong because less area would reduce gas exchange, and a layer of enamel is wrong because enamel is tooth tissue, not lung tissue. A sealed membrane with no blood flow is wrong because blood flow is needed to carry gases. Question 17. Once copper group 12 notices that body temperature rises and sweating begins, which process explains the response? Option A, positive feedback. Option B, osmosis only. Option C, passive immunity. Option D, negative feedback. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because sweating helps reverse the temperature increase and return the body toward normal range. Positive feedback is wrong because positive feedback amplifies a change instead of reversing it, and osmosis only is wrong because osmosis is water movement across a membrane and does not describe this whole response. Passive immunity is wrong because passive immunity involves receiving antibodies. Question 18. Where copper group 12 studies genetics and 2 heterozygous parents have genotype BB, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 100%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 25%. Option D, 75%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a BB times BB cross gives BB, 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 and BB. So 1 of 4 shows the recessive phenotype. 100% is wrong because not every offspring receives 2 recessive alleles, and 50% is wrong because 2 of 4 offspring are carriers but only 1 shows the recessive phenotype. 75% is wrong because 3 of 4 have the dominant phenotype, not the recessive phenotype. Question 19. As copper group 12 reviews chemistry and an atom has 11 protons, which conclusion follows? Option A. It has no charge. Option B. Its atomic number is 11. Option C. Its mass number must be 11. Option D. It has 11 electron shells. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because atomic number equals the number of protons in an atom. It has no charge is wrong because charge depends on the proton-electron balance, not proton count alone, and its mass number must be 11 is wrong because mass number equals protons plus neutrons. It has 11 electron shells is wrong because shell number is not determined directly by proton count. Question 20. Under Copper Group 12's experiment testing whether light color affects algae growth, which setup is the control group? Option A. Algae that are never measured. Option B. Algae placed in a warmer room only. Option C. Algae kept under white light while all other conditions match. Option D. Algae with different water and different light. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a baseline light condition with matching variables allows fair comparison. Algae that are never measured is wrong because growth must be measured to compare results, and algae placed in a warmer room only is wrong because temperature becomes the tested factor instead of light color. Algae with different water and different light is wrong because changing water and light prevents isolating the cause. Question 21. Between Copper Group 12's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. The nurses in the hallway was checking the chart. Option B. The nurses in the hallway is checking the chart. Option C. The nurse in the hallway are checking the chart. Option D. The nurses in the hallway are checking the chart. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the plural subject nurses agrees with R. The nurses in the hallway was checking the chart is wrong because was does not agree with plural nurses, and the nurses in the hallway is checking the chart is wrong because is does not agree with plural nurses. The nurse in the hallway are checking the chart is wrong because are does not agree with singular nurse. Question 22. Inside Copper Group 12's sentence, the calculator lost blank charge during practice. Which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A. Its. Option B. Their. Option C. His. Option D. Its. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because calculator is singular and non-human, so it shows possession. There is wrong because there is plural or singular person usage and does not fit a calculator in this formal sentence, and his is wrong because his is used for a male person or animal, not a calculator. Its is wrong because it means it is and does not show possession. Question 23. Through Copper Group 12's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A. Maya studied, because science was hard. Option B. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option C. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option D. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because both sides of the semicolon are complete related sentences. Maya studied, because science was hard, is wrong because the second part is not an independent clause, and Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math, is wrong because the first part is a run-on before the semicolon. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math, is wrong because the mark separates the subject from the verb. Question 24. According to Copper Group 12's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A. The student read the chart, she checked the units. Option B. The student read the chart, and she checked the units. Option C. The student read the chart, she checked the units. Option D. The student reading the chart and checked the units. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a comma plus coordinating conjunction correctly joins the two independent clauses. The student read the chart, she checked the units, is wrong because a comma alone creates a comma splice, and the student read the chart, she checked the units, is wrong because two independent clauses are fused with no punctuation. The student reading the chart and checked the units, is wrong because the wording creates an awkward fragment. Question 25. Beyond Copper Group 12's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix tachi dash add? Option A. Fast. Option B. Slow. Option C. Under. Option D. Around. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because tachy means fast, as in tachycardia meaning a fast heart rate. Slow is wrong because slow is Brady dash, not tachy dash, and under is wrong because under is sub dash. Around is wrong because around is Perry dash.